Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact Xbox controller model and the connection method you'll use. Plug a quality USB-C or micro USB cable into the controller and PC if you want the fastest, most compatible route. This avoids driver ambiguity. Once done, make sure Windows Update has run and the Xbox Accessories app is installed so firmware updates apply. You want the system ready before pairing. This prevents connection errors and ensures the controller is recognized instantly when you now perform the actual connection step by step. For wired use, plug the controller into a PC USB port and wait for Windows to auto-install drivers. A device-ready notification confirms success. For wireless Bluetooth, hold the controller's pair button until the guide light blinks, then open Windows Settings Bluetooth Add Device and choose the controller. Once paired, open the Xbox Accessories app to verify firmware and test inputs, so Windows and games read every button correctly. You finish by validating the controller in a game or via Windows game controllers so axes and buttons are correct. If something fails, first swap the USB cable or port. Cables often cause intermittent issues. Next, repair Bluetooth by removing the device and pairing again, and check for driver or firmware updates. If problems persist, use the official Xbox wireless adapter for a more reliable wireless link. This single troubleshooting move resolves most connectivity problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.